Ever find yourself running out of space in your Jeep TJ or wishing it was just a bit more trail-friendly? That's where the right accessories step in. Today we're breaking down the best Jeep TJ accessories you'll wish you bought sooner. These upgrades aren't just cool. They solve real problems like storage, lighting, and comfort. And hey, all the product links are waiting for you down in the description, so let's get into it. The Rough Country Lower Windshield LED bracket gives your rig that old-school military vibe while adding serious function. It positions cube LED lights neatly between your hood and windshield for better night visibility without looking out of place. Built tough and rust-resistant, these brackets can handle any weather. Installation is simple, and the lifetime warranty means you're covered for the long haul. The Linskip rear window MOLLE panels are all about making your TJ more organized. They turn wasted rear window space into prime storage for tools, medkits, or camping gear. The heavy-duty steel build is scratch-resistant and installs in about 30 minutes. No drilling needed. This is a smart way to maximize space while keeping your cargo area open for bigger loads. The YOCTM Co-Pilot Passenger Grab Bar is a clever little hack. It slips right into the grab handle above the glove box, adding a small tray perfect for your phone, keys, or other little essentials. Made from aerospace-grade ABS plastic, it's lightweight, odor-free, and tough enough for daily use. Plus, it installs without drilling or screws, so it's literally a peel and stick upgrade. The Hooke Road dash tray keeps all your small stuff from rolling around. With front and rear compartments, it organizes coins, pens, sunglasses, or even your phone. The anti-slip textured surface is a nice touch, so things stay put even when the trail gets rough. The ABS material matches the TJ interior nicely, making it look like a factory add-on. The Rough Country Hydraulic Hood Assist is one of those "why didn't I do this earlier?" mods. Forget wrestling with that sketchy prop rod. These hydraulic struts smoothly lift and hold your hood with zero effort. It's safer, faster, and makes engine work way easier. Installation is bolt-on with minimal drilling, and the branded brackets look sharp under the hood. The Sukemichi foot pegs are a must if you ride doors off. These stainless steel pegs give your feet a comfy perch and feature anti-skid strips to keep your boots locked in place. The rubber bumpers prevent paint damage, and the black powder coat keeps rust at bay. They mount quickly without mods, so you're road ready in minutes. The Hooke Road Tailgate table is built for Jeepers who love to camp, tailgate, or just need a quick work surface. All right, let's check out some real experiences from actual customers.
All right, y'all, so Hooke Road did it again with the TJ table. Super easy install. I used all of whatever they sent me. And I have some MOLLE panel bags attached to it. And here we go. Spray it down. Bam, bam. Love it. So they have a couple extra holes here that I did add extra screws. The holes were already there, so I said, you know what? Let me just add it on. But overall, I have cooked on this countertop, and of course, whenever I'm off-roading, I can put things on here. So love it. Great buy for the value. Sturdy. Hooke Road did another great build. So thank you, Hooke Road. Go check it out. Go get y'all's.
The high lift jack mount is pure utility. It lets you secure a high lift jack to your hood brackets, keeping it within easy reach when you're off-roading. Made from coated steel, it's built to resist wear and weather. With slotted bolt holes, it fits most high lift jacks, and all the mounting hardware comes in the box. The YITAMOTOR LED Light Bar takes night driving to a whole new level. This 52-inch, 300-watt monster pumps out 30,000 lumens with a combo flood and spot beam. The waterproof IP68 rating means rain and mud are no problem. while the adjustable brackets let you aim the light exactly where you need it. Great for trails, camping, or even backyard projects. Finally, the YZONA rear trunk cargo rack is the ultimate space saver. Built from high-strength steel with a rust-resistant coating, it can carry up to 350 pounds of gear. Perfect for camping supplies or bulky equipment, and it even comes with an elastic net to keep things secure. Installation is bolt-on, no drilling needed. Just remove the rear seats if you want full use. So there you have it, 10 Jeep TJ accessories that make life easier, safer, and a lot more fun. Whether you need storage, lighting, or comfort upgrades, these picks have you covered. Don't forget, all the product links are down in the description if you want to check them out yourself. And if you dig this kind of content, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.